There's something that needs to be treated in his body. I woke up with serious headache. Motherhood is calm. Mosquito, I finished my baby, and even with the mosquito repellent, I don't even know if it's not working or it has expired. I had to check the expiry date to be sure, but it's still very much in sync, still very much in time. And I don't know why the thing is still choppy. The thing finished my baking, like his face, his hands, his legs. So there's something that needs to be treated in his body. I woke up with serious headache. I told you guys I didn't sleep well at all because Yomi, even if I close my eyes to sleep and I try to catch some sleep, my mind will still be with him. Motherhood is scam. It's a terrible scam. No, it's not a terrible scam. It's ghetto. Jesus. Anyways, today my elder brother comes, like I said, and I want to make like okra soup for him this morning. Hi. Great. Time to go and blend things. So I want to make like okra soup for him this morning. Then I'll make stew too. I'll make everything this morning. I was waiting for them to bring this lead, but thank God they just brought it now. So I'll go and blend all the things that I have to blend: the tomatoes, my pepper, and basically just get cooking. I won't take you guys, but I'll show you guys when I finish. I don't get that strength. I really don't have that strength. But let me see, if I take you guys, that means this is going to be a full vlog on its own. What do you guys think? Should I take you guys so it will be a full vlog on its own? Alright, let's go. Okay, today I didn't take you guys because I was super tired, but this is the tomato blend. Just guys, I could afford tomato. I showed you now. I could afford it, so I just bought the full basket for 3,000. So I'm going to be blending that now since they're sliced. This is the goat meat, the chicken, the pomo, fish, everything is in here. So basically I'll wash this now and I'll just start cooking. But first let me blend anything that needs to be blended, because we're in Nigeria. When I start cooking, I have to blend everything that needs to be blended. We're in Nigeria and you can never really trust. Can never really trust NEPA. So yeah, let's get busy.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. story favorite right now. See all the little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come. I want to make me there. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no. I want to make you. Oh, no. I want to make me there. Oh, no. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no. I want to make you. Pull over. Come on, pull over. Should be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand. So your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know. Say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried you for nothing. This love will making me the dark man shit. This are the way that you want me to tell me with this all thing gone. I never tried you, baby. This love will making me the starting. No. I'm not telling me what's up in gone. I'm not make me there, baby. I'm not girl, I want to make you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh, baby, oh, no.
Yomi? Cocomelon! Come and take. Yomi? Come and take. Yomi no send me, Mama. Oof, you guys saw. I finished making the okra soup. Sorry, I didn't take you step by step. I didn't take you through the step by step process because at some point I just got tired of remembering that I was filming. But you shall saw the okra soup now. It's ready. Right now I have like the chicken and turkey on the fire that I want to use for the stew. I just want to make everything. It's first for this morning. It didn't tell me anytime. It just said this morning. I don't have to ask too much question. So, anyways, after I make the stew, I want to get over to somewhere to like I bought this AirDots yesterday. It's a Bluetooth AirDots. It's not Apple, definitely. I think it's a brand called Redmi, but it's very good, so I bought it. And I don't understand the connection yesterday. The buzz is very okay, but it just keeps on shaking as if, you know, when something loses a connection, a network connection, and then we reconnect it to connect and reconnect as if it's Wi-Fi it's using instead of Bluetooth. So I think there's a problem with it. So I'm taking it back there to return and swap something else to someone else, and swap to some other one, same brand. But if they don't have, I don't know. I really don't know shout until I get there. But guys, I'm having migraine. I don't understand. I woke up with it. I told you. I'm still feeling it though, but I'm just managing it. Anyways, once I finish with this stew, I'll be sure everyone finished eating this morning. The time is like 9:30 now. I woke up quite early though. So yeah, that's the update. Okay.
This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me Abuja. Big man way to be Abuja. What's it going?
So guys, my brother is around. He just called me like he actually informed me like when he landed. I think it was like 40 minutes ago. Then he told me he was already in a cab coming to my house, and he just called me now that he is close to my house. He just mentioned the landmark that is very close to my house now, so they are there. So let's just say the next thing you'll be seeing is my brother. All right. So this is the soup that I made for him. Ooh, that looks good. I also made stew. Yeah, so I'm currently microwaving fufu because he likes fufu, so I'm microwaving that now. After which, there's this okra soup that I made last time. I don't know how Blessing used to dish soup and one for somebody, but soup finish, meat still plenty. It's always like that in my house. Soup go finish, stew go finish, meat go still plenty. See, so plenty, just meat inside. So I'll microwave this and add it to my brother's portion because I want his food to be very rich. Uncle, you won't follow me? Let me make it. Uncle is here.
Only you sleep out, small baby. Maybe you know you have me well. See, you sabi skip. Let me this thing while they tell me.
So these are the things my brother bought for you, chop. Definitely this is going to be for me because I love Pringles. A pack of juice. Red, he knows me. Sneakers for Yomi. He just bought candies because I'm not a fan of this. I'm not a fan. Then he got some cookies. He got like 2 cookies. And more sneakers. And more chocolate. This is an Valentine chocolate too. I love. So yeah.